So let's talk a little bit about the design principles of usability, context awareness, and security. So here you are inside Salesforce, you click a button and you want to say, write a follow-up email on a case, or you want AI to help you do that, right? Or create a summary. So let's say we are doing a case summary, and what you need then for AI to see is the case, some information from the case. You also want AI to know what emails have been exchanged, what activities have happened on this case, are there case comments? You may have custom objects like survey, you may have other kind of packaged objects, all of that. So you need all this information in a manner that AI can consume. But before you send it, you want to have a security layer. So what we do is we pull all this data and we identify and anonymize it. So sort becomes person one, email addresses change, things like that, right? So you are able to do this so that AI still has enough context, but it doesn't have personally identifiable information. And it's a fine line. Customers have very different definitions of it. So as we built some of these things, we wanted this to be extremely flexible so that you can define what is confidential to you. And then what we do is we send this over to ChatGPT. In addition to doing some of this stuff, we also package some prompts which are already optimized, and you or your admin can create more prompts. And essentially what that does is it makes it easy for your end users. They don't have to think or write a prompt to get the response they want. You can literally have one or two people who understand this or work with our team, for example, and have very optimized prompts so that the response you are getting is exactly what your user would need. And that dramatically reduces the challenges for usability and adoption. And so once we send it to ChatGPT, we get back a response, we present it, we re-identify that anonymized data. So where it said person one for Saurabh, we insert Saurabh again, for example. And in addition to this, what we're also doing is in certain scenarios, we are able to update fields on your record. So if we did a sentiment analysis and it came back and it said, hey, this case is positive or this case is negative, we can actually update specific fields on your case object. And that way, if it was a negative sentiment, you can flag it, you can build flows on it, you can have approval process, escalation, all kind of automation capabilities that this wonderful platform offers, Salesforce. You have all of that available to you. So what we have done is we've tried to make this something that is really quick to deploy, very lightweight. And you can apply this principle whether you use our product or you buy your own thing or build your own thing, right? The whole idea is to do this in a manner where your users are able to use this product. It is still secure, and you are able to really leverage the power of AI across your business.